so good at it. He don't need any help.
Really? Let's see.
See? That was perfect. The most graceful crash I've ever seen.
No, I think I kind of do need help. It won't take long.
I wish I could help too, but I've already made some important plans.
More important than bike ballet? I find that hard to believe. Oh, Dasher.
Hey guys, ready to roll, little dude cousin? Or do you have something else to do?
Nope, nothing else. I'm super ready. This is going to be the coolest day ever. What do you want to do first? Jump stunts, bubble fight, pizza?
Bike ballet first, then all that other stuff. I didn't know we had so much planned for today. This is going to be great.
Sorry, Toot, but I kind of planned this day just for me and Dasher.
You mean whatever you guys do is cool, but what I want to do isn't?
Exactly. I knew you'd understand.
All right then, let's zoom out. Check you later, Toot.
I'll help you practice your moves when I'm back. Promise.
But I'm Toot the Cool, right?
Now give the ramp a whirl. Cool. Yeah.
Yeah!
That's the way. Now check this out. Way-oh. Yeah.
Whoa! Awesome! Could he show me how to do those?
And me? Just think how much cooler they'll be when I'm doing them.
Actually, these stunts are a Zoom family secret. Zooms only.
Hey, Ricky, it's your turn.
Gotta go!
Come on, Ricky. Yeah. Together. Let's go.
Hey, my skills are mad too. Or at least they're a little miffed. We've been left out.
Yeah. Woohoo.
Go! They're still playing. Do you think Ricky forgot about us? Ricky would never forget his best friends. Scootio, DJ, and, the other one.
Loop.
Right, Loop. Guess Ricky's just too cool to hang out with us anymore.
You guys too? Wow, I've got something super fun we can do without Ricky.
Ooh, is it a party?
No, not a party. But there will be dancing.
Close enough. Yeah! Rev on!
Count us into yes!
Coconut's my favourite.
Mine too.
I thought you got banana.
I did, but coconut's definitely way cooler. So, Dasher, what should we do after we fuel up? Slide? Jump? Do stoppies?
We could just hang.
Hanging is cool. I'm cool with hanging. Or how about a race to Windshield Point? That's cool and fast.
Sure. Who should we race against?
You mean not just you and me?
Yeah, races are way better with a bunch of bikes.
I bet my friends would race us. The Bike Buddies versus the Ricky Dashers. The Dasher Rickies. The Dashy Rickers. That's us.
That sounds awesome, little dude, cuz.
They're gonna love racing us. We're so cool. Whoa!
Oh, hey, Ricky. How do you like my dance club? Okay, guys, let's take it from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, and rev. 2, 3, 4, and leap. 2, 3, 4. Back up. 2, 3, 4.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
Dance! Skip Toot Toot! What do you think? We call ourselves Toot and the Wheelies! I thought of the name.
Wow! Cool!
Awesome! Dudes and dudettes.
You did this all without me!
We sure did. Pretty cool, huh?
You guys are the coolest.
Huh? Well, Dasher and I were wondering if you guys wanted to race us to Windshield Point. Come on, it'll be so cool.
Sorry, Ricky. We're kinda in the middle of something.
Yes! Look how light on my wheels I am! I love bike ballet. Okay, well, have fun then. Dasher and I have our own cool stuff to do anyway. Right, dude cousin?
You bet, cousin dude. Let's ride.
I'm ahead now.
But not for long.
See, Dasher, I'm winning. Dasher!
Gotta dash, little dude, cuz I almost forgot I have a race with Ashley Ace.
Ashley Ace, the speedster. Whoa, so cool. Let's go.
Sorry, Ricky, but in this kind of race, there's no third place. It's just Ashley and me.
Oh, I can't come.
We'll race later, though, okay? See you later, guys.
I guess I'll just go to Toot's dance club then. Except it seems like they don't need me there. I'll just race myself to Windshield Point. Ricky versus Ricky! And it's Ricky in the lead, followed by Ricky. Ricky's catching up. I bet everyone else wishes they were here. This is so cool! Whoa! Whoa, yeah! Whoa! I'm okay, but how do I get out of here? Uh-oh! Grappling hook, go! Can't make it! I better call for help!
What's that? Fireworks? Oh, no! I forgot a holiday again!
Huh? I don't think those are fireworks. Isn't that Ricky's emergency flare? He needs us!
Bike buddies, wheel it in! Forget bike buddies! Toot and the Wheelies to the rescue! Ricky!
Are you okay?
We came as soon as we saw your signal.
Whoa! I'm so glad to see you guys. Don't worry, I'll pull you up. Just throw me a line. Thanks, guys. But my back wheel's locked. I can't move.
Scootbox, go fix it.
Grappling hook, go! Again! Loopy boosters, go!
Fantastic! Yeah, we rescued Ricky. Good thing the Zooms are amazing in emergency situations, especially me.
You sure are, Toot. What would I do without you?
So, Ricky dude, does this mean you're not too cool for us anymore?
You guys might be too cool for me, but do you think maybe I could be one of the wheelies?
Yeah, 4 wheelies are better than, whatever number we have now. I don't know. Show us your moves.
Look at this. So what do you say, Toot?
competition.
Yo, Ricky, I'm back. You ready to finish that race? I have a better idea. Maybe you can join the wheelies too.
Oh, boy. We're going to need a bigger dance club. Places, everybody. Downhill dance. And 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Hi, kids. I've got lots of recycling for you.
It's just what we need. Thanks, Mrs. Pikely.
Thanks!
Let's get all of this to Maxwell's, Pike Buddies. Is that enough scrap metal? We've collected everything.
That sure is a lot of recycling. What are you kids planning to make with it?
Ramp! This ramp is going to be the best ramp in town, and we're going to make it using nothing but recycled metal.
I don't think he said any other word all day. He's a little excited.
With all the loads you brought in already, I reckon if you fill this bin all the way to the top one more time, you'll have enough metal. Maybe I have some stuff around here. How about these? These used to be my party wheel covers, but nobody wears them anymore. Oh, those were the days.
Oh, yeah. Thanks, Maxwell.
But don't try to lift them. Watch this.
Whoa! Is that magic?
Only if magnets are magic. Come to think of it, well, they might be.
They're not magic, they're science. Magnets lift or pull anything metal.
Good thinking, Loop. Can we use your magnet to collect up more metal for our ramp, Maxwell? We'd fill up the bin a lot faster.
Do you promise to look after it as if it was your own?
Bite's the word.
Well, I'm not using it right now. I guess you can take it.
Thanks, Maxwell. Zoom out!
What's this? Yes! How much I wanted to use a really, really big magnet, but I really, really did.
Can I try? Oh, yeah. Watch out, Muffler Crunk. Ricky Zoom's got power.
Whoa, Loop, is your crossbar metal?
I guess so. Hey, watch this! Ramp is big fun, but this is magnet fun!
Not just fun, Loop, science! We need to
test all of these controls. Now, what does this one do? Sorry, Loop. Make science go faster!
I want to try. Me too. I want to press the buttons. I can't reach the controls.
Try that one, or this one.
What's it doing?
Is that a good noise?
Or a bad noise.
That's a science going wrong noise.
Oh,
Whoa! Where did that come from?
Those came from way over there. The magnet must be set to super strong pulling power.
Looks like I knocked this button. And it's stuck. But it won't move back.
Let me try. Okay. Oh no, it won't shut off.
I can't stop it.
The magnet's going crazy.
We have to find a way to shut it down.
Now what do we do? Throw it into a volcano.
What? Could work.
Maybe we should get it back to Maxwell's quick. Just try not to point it at anything made of metal along the way.
I can't control the magnet.
Yeah, I gotcha, DJ. Leave it to Luke. And Scootio makes 3. Woohoo!
How are we going to get it all the way to Maxwell's? There's metal everywhere.
Uh-oh. Better take care of that loose bolt. Just need my trusty wrench. Hey! Huh? Hey! Come back! You're my wrench! The tools don't run away!
Slow down there, young bikes.
Sorry! Can't stop!
Who's taking my whistle? I order you to halt. Oh, I get it. Invisible Mike playing a joke, eh? Well, whoever you are, Invisible Mike, that whistle is police property. You can't have it.
Hey! Hey, mail looks right. Toots up, toot.
Don't worry, Toot. I'll save you. Just keep still.
Hey!
That's not keeping still.
Come back, wrench! I promise I'll get you a cozier toolbox.
Whoever you are, don't think I won't write you a ticket.
No! Ricky, I'm getting dizzy!
We've got to get this stopped and help Toot.
Look! Maxwell's magnet and trailer are operated by a battery. I think it's up here. If we take the battery out, everything will stop.
Hold it back, DJ.
Two bites are better than one. I found the battery, but it's bolted in.
I've got an idea! Ricky to the rescue!
Speed check! Spoiler up! Visor on! Gadgets, go!
Got it!
That's it! Oh, we're being pulled towards Maxwell's metal bin!
Yeah!
Yes! Whoa! I'm gonna buy the refrigerator next.
Oh, I've missed you. My whistle! You picked the wrong officer to play a joke on.
What?
Is everything all right, buddies?
Hollow hubcaps? What happened?
Sorry, Maxwell. We kind of got a bit carried away with your magnet.
Oh, it's hard to resist, isn't it? Sometimes I use it to move dumpsters around when nobody's looking. Shh! Don't tell anyone.
We should have been more careful. Do you think we can have another chance, maybe? To finish collecting scrap for our...
That's the way, bye, buddies. Right, ready to start? Would you like to start it, Ricky?
Hey kids, it's the incredible Steel Awesome here. You already know that I've done some pretty amazing things. Ha! Oh, whoop, whoop, ah. Yes, I just did that. And I could do it again, but instead I've been working hard on the most amazing stunt the world has ever seen.
More amazing than that?
Yes, more amazing than that. So I would like to invite anyone with a thirst for thrills to come and see me perform my new stunt live Friday at the Wheelford Adventure Park. It'll be awesome. Steel awesome.
Whoa! Did he say he would be in Wheelford?
Uh-huh.
Did he say Friday?
Uh-huh.
Isn't today Friday?
Mm-hmm.
We have to be the first ones there!
Yeah! I'll be first in line.
Over my flat tire! Let's try that again! We should go one at a time.
Yeah,
Definitely.
okay.
Starting with me.
Hey! Wait up!
He's good. I can't wait to see Steel's new stunt.
Once I saw him do a hyperspin. Whoa! 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 It's harder than it looks. I'm okay.
I want to see his drift. I'm okay. I hope it's some kind of wheelie stoppy combo. Whoa! Whoa, that would be awesome. Whoa! What kind of move is that, Loop? It's not a move. Something weird is happening. Oh no! Your back tire is flat. No, it can't be. Flat suffer bikes who aren't in a big hurry to see Steel Awesome. See? Not flat. Let's go!
We need to get you to Maxwell's.
There's still time if we hurry.
Come on, I'll give you a lift.
Whoa! Whoa!
finally here! Carrying you is grinding my gears.
What is this? Cheese?
Yeah, maybe a little creamy garlic dipping sauce in there too. What are you doing here?
My tyre's flat. I need Maxwell to fix it.
Oh, I'll be right with you, Loop, as soon as I fix up your brother. Pepperonis?
Yep, I ran over an extra large with double pepperoni and anchovies. So we're just getting started.
But I can't wait that long. We have to get to the park to see Steel Awesome's new stunt.
Steel Awesome? Here, in Wheelford?
It's a big deal. He might be in the park right now.
Well, that doesn't happen every day. Oh, hurry. In the meantime, Loop, try to stay off that back tyre. We don't want you to make it any worse, do we?
Looks like I'm stuck here. You guys should go ahead without me. Nuh-uh. No way. Buddies never leave a bike behind.
You're coming with us, Loop.
Just need to work out how to get you there. Wait. I have an idea. Woohoo! Whee!
Bike trailer?
Why haven't we done this before?
Watch out! Coming through! Sorry, guys. In a hurry. Did you know Steel Awesome's in town?
Yeah, we're on our...
Can't talk. Steel Awesome. Yeah. Whoopee!
We have to floor it, or we're going to miss the show.
We need to gear up.
Hang on, Luke. I'm about to show this road who's boss. It's me. I'm boss.
I'm okay.
We made it. We didn't miss the show.
See, Luke? I told you we'd get you here in time. Oh, no. What's wrong? Loop is gone. He must have fallen out on the way here.
Come to think of it, the trailer did feel lighter. I thought I was just getting stronger.
We have to find him. If we hurry, we can still have him back in time for the stunt. That was fun! Ricky, DJ, Scootio, where is everyone? We're at Still Stunt Show! We made it! Wait a minute, I'm not there. I didn't make it at all. I'll get there somehow. Leave it to Loop. Because there's nobody else here to leave it to. Where is he? We've looked everywhere.
Bikes don't cheer like that for just anybody. That must be.
Steel Awesome just got to the park.
You can't do stuff like that when we're not there. Somebody tell him we're not there.
We have to find Loop.
We're going to miss the show.
It doesn't matter. We have to keep looking. Let's zoom out. La 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 loo, la 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 loo. I could do this all day. Yay! These tyre marks are fresh. They're loops. We're getting close. Whoa! Hey, Lou! What are you doing here?
We're looking for you.
But then you're missing still. Climb on, Loop. And let's zoom out. We're here! Let me off! Let me off!
Whoa! Can you guys believe he did that? Best thing I ever saw. Still Awesome is a legend. Whoa!
Well, guess we missed it. All because of my flat tire. I guess we should go. Yeah.
It's all over. Come on, Luke. Let's get you back to Maxwell's and get your tyre fixed.
Whoops!
Sorry.
Sorry, kid.
Steel Awesome.
Well, that's what they call me. Sometimes they call me the Incredible Steel Awesome. But you don't have to.
I'm your biggest fan. You're amazing.
Hey, thanks. Right back at ya. How'd y'all like the show?
We didn't.
We weren't.
I had a flat.
Yeah, pretty amazing, right? Maybe my best ever, except for that ending. Still needs something. Anyway, catch you later.
Oh, wait a minute.
Huh? Hey, do that again, kid.
You mean this?
Yeah. That's it! That's the ending I was looking for! I have to try it right now. You guys want to watch?
Yes.
Whoa.
Yes. Wow. Steel Awesome! Can you believe it, Lou? He got that from you! I made Steel Awesome even more awesome!
That was some serious air.
Awesome! So looped! Best thing I ever saw!
And thanks for getting him here.
Oh.
You know, a bike is nothing without a crew. And it looks like you're a pretty great one.
Official Steel Awesome crew badges! Wow.
See you around.
Best day ever! Getting a flat tire was the best thing that ever happened to me. But I should probably get it fixed, right? Yes, definitely,